Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to review the Tissot PRX with the quartz movement. I'm going to tell you everything that I love about it, what I don't like about it, and also whether you should buy it or not, especially compared to the one with the automatic movement, so the Powermatic 80. I also have a Tissot that has the same movement, so the automatic movement that can be found in the PRX with the automatic movement. So I'm going to show you a little bit about this one as well. Now, if you're new to the channel guys and you enjoy this type of videos, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description below. So guys, for the past couple of years, this has been one of the most viral watches on the internet, so the Tissot PRX, either with the quartz movement or with the automatic movement. It has a very beautiful look. As you can see, it has the blue dial. At this point you can find a lot of versions with the green dial, yellow dial, Tiffany blue dial, green dial, gold dial, black dial. So you have all the variations online, so you can go and check them out. I will leave a link in the description below to this exact model so that you can check it out. I believe that this is maybe one of the most interesting, and also a reason for it being so viral is that it has the blue dial. It has a very beautiful and unique case design, so this would resemble a lot of iconic watches such as the Vacheron Constantin Overseas, the Nautilus, and even the Royal Oak from Audemars Piguet. So you have this very beautiful hexagonal case shape, which is very interesting. You have the stainless steel bracelet with a very beautiful brushing and polishing, so very good finishing. We are going to talk about that as well. When it comes to the dial design, as you can see, it is very simple and subtle, very elegant, very dressy watch. You have the simple hour markers, very little text on the dial. So you have Tissot 1853, then you have PRX. So on the automatic version you would also have Powermatic 80, so that is some extra text on the dial. At 6 o'clock we have the Swiss made, of course, and here at 3 o'clock we have the date window. So this is a very beautiful dress watch for men. At this point they also make the smaller version, which is a 35 millimeters for women. Once again, I will leave a link in the description below so that you can check them out. I would say that it is very beautiful on the wrist. You get a lot of compliments for the watch. It is very easy to use, so the quartz movement is very easy to use. You simply pull the crown all the way. You can set the time, so you can adjust the time. As you can see, the seconds hand stopped. This means that the watch movement has a hacking. This is something that also happens on the Powermatic 80, so on the automatic movement. This is the Tissot Open Heart Powermatic 80, and when I pull the crown all the way, as you can see, the seconds hand stopped as well. So this automatic movement has a hacking as well. When it comes to the specs, you have the stainless steel case and the stainless steel bracelet with very beautiful finishing. I would say that this is maybe one of the smoothest bracelets that you can find for this price point, so very beautiful. And also it has this butterfly clasp, something that a lot of people enjoy because you can easily take it out and also put it on. Now this is the stainless steel. If you want to replace it, you also have a lot of leather straps at this point. When it comes to the case size, it has a width of 40 millimeters, so this dimension right here, and the lug to lug is 39.5, so almost also 40 millimeters, and it has a thickness of 10.4 millimeters. It is just a little bit thinner compared to the automatic one. So this model, the PRX with the quartz movement, has a price point of around $300 to $350 or $90, depends whether you can find it on sale or not. At this point it is around $300 on Amazon. Make sure to check the link in the description below. When it comes to its counterpart, so the one with the Powermatic 80, the automatic version, that will be double, And the very interesting thing is that it has the same case, the same finishing, and the only thing that differentiates this one from the other one is the automatic movement. And here on the back you are going to have a see-through back that will be also a little bit more thick. So that is everything that you get extra for double the money. So you have the same bracelet, the same finishing, the same case, a little bit more thickness, and the automatic movement. So for a lot of people that is not something that is worth double the price. So you could get a Tissot, so the regular quartz PRX, and then you can go and buy yourself another watch at the same price point, and that way you get two watches. Now when it comes to the negatives, I would say that this has a quick release bracelet, something that is very, very cool. But as you can see, you need special bracelets for these watches, meaning you cannot buy a regular strap and fit it to this watch. You are going to pay extra for the Tissot original straps that come from Tissot, or you can go and buy some aftermarket bracelets and straps that go for around 50 to 100 euros. So that would be a negative when it comes to this watch. Also, it has a water resistance of around 100 meters, but you have to take into consideration that it has the snap-off back, meaning it is not a screw-down back. And also, when it comes to the crown, you just push and pull it. Although you can rely on the water resistance that Tissot offers you, I wouldn't recommend going inside the pool with this watch, because if the watchmaker didn't press down the case back completely, or if your gaskets are no longer in term, or also if your crown isn't pushed all the way back in, that way water will go inside your watch, and that is why I recommend not to go inside water with the watch. The lume is quite decent, so you have lume bright used for the lume, and as you can see you have very small hour markers all around the dial. Another very cool thing about this watch, and that also comes on the automatic version, is that you have a sapphire crystal. This means that this watch crystal will be very resistant to scratches, and it is a lot more durable compared to mineral glass. So guys, if you have $300, I would definitely recommend buying this watch. I wouldn't go necessarily with the automatic version, especially since you can set the time on this one, leave it on the table for a week, and then simply pick it up and you put it on the wrist and you are done. Also, you have to keep in mind that you get the same finishing, the same specs, the same case size, so only the thickness will be different and the movement. Also, it comes in the same box, so everything is basically the same, just a different movement, which I wouldn't say is worth $300 extra. Also, keep in mind that the automatic version also does not have a screw down crown, and also it doesn't have a screw down back. So once again guys, you are going to pay $300 extra for an automatic that also isn't a diver watch, meaning you cannot go inside water with it. So you can definitely purchase this one, then go and look at a Seiko for that amount of money and maybe get yourself a pretty nice diver also with Citizen. So this way you can have $600 and two premium watches, so two premium quality watches, and you have the classic designs of the classic Gerald Genta inspired design, and also you can go and buy something else that you like. I hope you enjoyed guys. I hope this can be useful for a lot of you that are in between purchasing this one or the automatic one. I wouldn't say that the automatic movement isn't good quality. I mean, it keeps accurate time. As you can see, it is very beautiful. It also has the power reserve of 80 hours. That is why it is called Powermatic 80. But once again, in my opinion, it isn't worth the difference. So I hope once again that this video was helpful. If so, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.